In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a start and end frame in Leonardo AI Desktop. First, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once you're on the main interface, head over to the video section. This is where you'll set up your AI video generation and access the controls needed for start and end frames. Before you do anything else, choose your model. This part is important because not every model supports start frame and end frame features. If you don't select a compatible model first, those options may not appear at all, so make sure you begin here. After that, look near the prompt bar and click Image Guidance. This panel gives you the controls for attaching images that help guide the motion and visual direction of your video. Inside Image Guidance, click on Start Frame. You'll then be able to choose an image either from your uploads or from your previous generations. Pick the image you want to use as the opening frame of your video, then confirm your selection. A good tip here is to choose an image that clearly represents how you want the video to begin, since this helps the AI produce more predictable results. Next, click Image Guidance again near the prompt bar to reopen that menu. This time, select End Frame. Then choose your ending image from your uploads or your generations and confirm it. Try to pick an end frame that feels visually connected to the start frame so the transition looks smoother and more natural in the final result. Once both frames are set, click into the prompt field and type your prompt. Keep your wording clear and specific so the AI understands the style, subject, and motion you want between the two frames. Finally, click Generate. Leonardo AI will use your prompt along with the selected start and end frames to create the video. If the result isn't quite right, you can always adjust the images or refine the prompt and try again.